Bro, imagine seeing yourself as a full 3D Pixar character, moving, talking, blinking like you're straight out of a Disney movie. It's not just a static image, it's a living, breathing, animated version of you. Today, I'm showing you the 2026 method to turn anyone, and I mean anyone, into a Pixar-quality 3D character for free. Stick around because this is a game changer. Look at this. This is my 3D Pixar version. The animation is so smooth, and it's not just for me. Here's a photo of a kid. Now look at him as a cartoon character. How cool is that? What about a couple's photo? Boom, instant movie poster. It even works on pets. Look at this dog. He looks like he's about to go on an adventure. And the best part, all of these were made in under 30 seconds. Let's talk about why these Pixar animations are absolutely viral in 2026. It's simple psychology. People love seeing animated versions of themselves. It's personal, it's fun, and it's incredibly shareable. Think about it. These clips are perfect for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. They make for an amazing and unique profile picture that stands out from the crowd. For content creators, this is pure gold. It boosts your channel's personality and makes your brand instantly recognizable. Seriously, everyone wants their own Pixar version, and what they don't know is that you can make it in just a few seconds. So, what kind of complicated software do you need? Blender, Maya, years of 3D modeling skills? Nope, all you need are a few incredible AI tools that are either free or have a free trial. You can forget about spending months learning complex programs. The future is here. For this, we'll be looking at a few key players. First, for video generation and style transfer, we have tools like Pika's new V6 style transform and Runway's Gen 3 characters. These are insane for turning a simple image into a full-blown animation. Luma DM3 is another powerhouse that brings static images to life with incredible realism. For a super quick and easy mobile option, CapCut's AI style feature has a cartoon 3D effect that gets the job done surprisingly well. And for creating character concepts from scratch, Recraft AI has a 3D characterizer that's perfect. The workflow is ridiculously simple. You just upload your photo, click a button to transform it into the Pixar-style, and then animate it. It's literally upload, transform, animate. That's it. You don't need to be a tech wizard. Alright, let's get into the step-by-step process. This is where the magic happens. First, and this is crucial, you need to choose the right photo. The AI needs a good reference to work with. Make sure your face is clearly visible, preferably from a front-on angle. Good, even lighting is your best friend. Avoid harsh shadows or photos where half your face is dark. The cleaner the source image, the better the final result will be. A simple, well-lit selfie is perfect. Step 2 is applying the 3D Pixar style. This is done with a prompt. You'll feed your image to the AI along with specific instructions. Here's a prompt that works like a charm: Pixar-style 3D character, soft lighting, big expressive eyes, stylized hair, cinematic shading, clean edges, and vibrant colors. You can copy and paste this. The key terms here are Pixar-style, big expressive eyes, and cinematic shading. This tells the AI exactly the look you're going for, mimicking that iconic animation style we all know and love. Step 3 is to animate your new character. A static image is cool, but a moving character is next level. This is where tools like Luma or Runway come in. You can upload your newly generated Pixar-style image and use their features to add life to it. You'll want to add subtle movements. Think about things like gentle eye blinks, a little bit of smooth mouth motion as if they're about to speak, a slight head tilt to add curiosity or personality, and natural, subtle expressions. Don't overdo it. The goal is realism within the cartoon world. And finally, step 4 is adding a voice. You can record your own voice or use an AI voice generator to match the character. To make it sound professional, add a little bit of soft reverb in an editor to give it some space, and maybe slightly boost the low-mid frequencies to add warmth. This makes the character feel more present and cinematic, tying the whole animation together perfectly. So now that you have this amazing animated character, What can you actually do with it? The possibilities are endless. You can create animated intros for your YouTube videos to hook viewers from the very first second. You could even become a fully animated YouTube host yourself, creating a unique and memorable brand. Businesses can use this to create branding mascots that connect with their audience on a more personal level. They're perfect for creating viral meme videos or reaction clips. Imagine animating a photo of a friend as a birthday gift, a truly unique and thoughtful present. Of course, you can just use it as your new animated profile picture to stand out online. And if you have kids, you could create entire animated stories for them using their own faces as the main characters. How incredible would that be? Now, let's talk about how to make your Pixar content go viral. It's not just about making the animation. It's about how you present it. First, use short storytelling. Don't just show the final result, create a narrative. A simple before and after reveal is incredibly effective and satisfying for viewers to watch. Music is key. Use emotional or trending music to enhance the feeling of your video. Keep your animated clips short and punchy, around 3 to 5 seconds long to maintain viewer attention. Always add subtitles. Most people watch videos on mute, so captions are non-negotiable. Add simple motion effects like a slow zoom in or zoom out to create a more dynamic viewing experience. And finally, be strategic about when you post. Upload during peak hours when your target audience is most active on the platform. Following these steps will dramatically increase your chances of going viral. This is the kind of content that's taking over in 2026. It's fresh, it's personal, and now it's accessible to everyone. If you want to see more tutorials like this and learn how to grow your channel fast with AI content, subscribe right now.